In this video, I will show you how to use backtap on your iPhone. To set up backtap, first of all, go to your iPhone settings. In your iPhone settings, you have to tap on accessibility. Under accessibility settings, tap on touch. Then scroll down and tap on backtap. And here you can set up backtap for double tap, or you can choose triple tap to set up backtap. So in my case, I'm selecting double tap. And now you can just go ahead and choose any function to activate when you press double tap on your iPhone. So let's select here flashlight option. And now on, whenever I double tap my iPhone back side, my flashlight will be automatically turned on just like this. As you can see, flashlight has been turned on. Let's select here camera, and now let's double tap my iPhone back screen and we can see the camera app opened. So that's how you can actually set up backtap. Thanks for watching.